Hey guys, just another video about EBT, free food in front of your doorstep. Now remember in my last video I spoke about how you could actually apply for EBT, the P-EBT, and actually get delivery for free shipping to your door. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to actually order it from the website. Since most of you probably don't do it, I even tried it the first couple of times, it didn't work. So this one will just clarify how you actually could order online and get it on your doorstep. Now, again, you have to have EBT. For those of you who don't have EBT, you can just sign up. I'll link the description. I'll link the website in the description below. Just go ahead, click the website, and sign up. You'll get it right away, and within a week. For those of you who are single people, you'll get probably like $194 a month. Now now families who have children will get that P-EBT, which will be $365 a year. All right, so pretty simple. You come to Amazon or Walmart, and you're gonna order just like you do anything else, but this time it's gonna be food only. Obviously, we pay for EBT. Now, right here on Amazon, you see we got Whole Foods Market. We got our weekly deals. Let's see, we click that. We got delicious food. Whole Foods is nothing but pretty much organic type quality food. You see right here, it's $3.99 for a pound of strawberries. You got some mangoes, and you got pretty much a whole variety of food. You can just take your time, look for it. There's no rush, it's right in your home. It's all safe. You don't have to risk your life being at the supermarket, at the store. Especially right now, you have to wait in line, right? You have to wait in line the whole day, spend hours right there just to be able to go inside and get your food. And still, like I said, risk of you getting the virus, right? So you don't want that. You just order it at home, get it on your doorstep, just like anything else, and it'll pretty much be all simple, safe, healthy, and you'll be satisfied. So it says right here, if you're a Prime member, you get 10% off. You can also apply for a 5% Whole Foods Market Visa card, which that means anything you buy from Amazon, you get 5%. Now, there's also a 10%, or actually, I think it's 2% or 5%. So this is pretty good. If you guys usually order from Amazon Prime or Whole Foods, you should get the card. You get 5% reimbursement, and obviously that'll add up at the end of the year, and you'll save a lot of money. Now again, you already know with Amazon Prime you get your free 2-hour delivery, so that's always great. It's always awesome. Usually right now, since again the virus, it's less workers, things are being held back, so it is gonna take some time. The last thing I ordered from Amazon, it took probably like a week, even though I had Amazon Prime, right? So I mean, just take your time, but it'll get there eventually. Now, there's been one issue right here for Amazon. Since everything is coming up late and a lot of people order late, so how do you get started to actually order on Amazon? You have to come here, Amazon Fresh, start shopping. And like I said, the issue is that right now there's no availabilities to actually get it delivered from Amazon. This issue is because there's a lot of people ordering from Amazon. So a lot of orders, a lot of requests, and the stock actually goes to zero. So there's not enough things to actually distribute to people, right? It's all over the country. The warehouses, it's all low. So you're gonna have a hard time. So what it's gonna ask you right here in this little sign right here, it's gonna ask you to sign up. You type in your email address, you click submit, and you're gonna wait for a notification. In other words, another email address. So it could let you know when Amazon Fresh is available again, so you could order it, so you could get it delivered into your doorstep, right? But if you see right here, if you shopped through Amazon before, you see it's all great food right here. You get discounts. Amazon Prime gets extra discounts. You don't have to be part of Amazon Prime to get free delivery or to actually order from Amazon Fresh with your EBT card. So go ahead and feel free and just order whatever you want when it's available again, right? You can see it's all regular food from Whole Foods, from the supermarkets that you go to. It might be same price, sometimes it might be cheaper. You see right here, you can save 15% with the coupon. So remember to always look at that. Here, I'll show you real quick. You see, you click on this milk. It's the same thing as anything else, as any other thing from Amazon. You click on the coupon, and that will save you 15%, right? And that will be applied to the checkout. So every other item that you could apply a coupon with, for example, this one, which is cheese, you can also apply another 15%, and it will be deducted at the end of the checkout, right? At your cart. So that's always good to keep in mind. Just consider using the coupons to save you a lot more money. and you get a lot more better food, right? Some of them have special deals. If you don't get 50% off, you get like, let's say buy one get one free. You get buy this item and some other kind of related item, you get in a discount. So remember, check that. I will also suggest you get yourself maybe some kind of like little app. For example, right here I have Ebates. Now Ebates you can't use it with Amazon, but there should be another one that you could add it to your browser. Add a plugin to your browser. I think it's called Honey. You check for the Honey browser plugin, and then I'll give you extra discounts from Amazon or from any other website, right? So you should consider those. You save a lot more money, especially right now if you want groceries, if you want food, get it for a lot of good discounts. All right. With that being said, Amazon is pretty much out of business for delivery. Amazon Fresh right now for us. Okay, so now quickly I'm gonna show you how to actually add your EBT card. Remember this page? I have the link below on my other videos. Go to the same link. Go to Google. Put Amazon EBT sign in, and it's gonna take you to this page, right? So quickly, it's in all states. All you have to do is add your Snap card. Then you can pay buy it to Amazon, and then just at the end type in your EBT pin, right? And it'll be the same transaction as a credit card, debit card, and it'll be all good. So as we just tap this tab button. It says EBT or Medicaid. Of course, we go EBT. We type in our EBT number and we select continue. And that'll be it. We just follow the steps. Right here, we get a couple of discounts. Again, EBT, we get $194 per person. Now, if you have a child, you get $365 a month, which is also great. So remember to actually apply. And check out all my videos. I also have a Walmart video, so it can actually give you step by step. Since we can't actually order from Amazon, we're going to be able to order from Walmart. So check that out. It's going to be great. And you get easy, free food, delicious, organic, and you'll be satisfied. All right.